the beautiful robot messiah. Alright, this video is subway worker, I think this is her, losing her job. Let's see what this video's got to offer.
The day, cause this bitch's subway said I will. You will beat my ass. I will. You need
Oh.
to go back there and do your job.
Oh.
I will. Do your job. Do your job. Do your job, bitch. Y'all want this woman to make your food? She will not make my customers.
Little man was like, I don't want no parts.
Come on out here and do your job, bitch.
Oh, fighting words.
Motherfucking white girl. Somebody call the police, sir. Can you call
Oh, shit.
Why not? She's one person, and I'm willing to wait for their food that she's refusing to make.
Wow.
So, you won't call the...
Even the U.S. Army guy's just like, yeah. So there's definitely context missing from this video. But he's just like, she's one person. And it seems like there's other people waiting in the store. So they both seem like Karens, but it looked like the one that's filming is the main Karen. But Hooker here, that's the name on his badge. I don't think you can see it, but he's very calm, cool, collected. Just like, yeah, she's one person. Let's see.
Hello? Okay, well then serve your country and sit right on right there.
Oh.
I bet you got that vaccine too, didn't you?
Yeah, you
Wow.
did. Socialist, commie bastard.
Oh, wow.
Damn, call me no commie bastard.
Oh.
Because bad lungs run in my family.
Well, I
Oh, wow.
you don't get hurt because that shit gets old. It kills old people. It kills people with
Wow, the old man said
bad
something.
lungs and stuff. But thank you for serving our country. I appreciate that, and I'm gonna pray for you that the vaccine don't hurt neither one of y'all.
Wow. Okay, now, okay.
He still ain't making this food.
Alright. The woman recording is the Karen. And they kind of blocked up her name here, but, or I really don't give a damn to really look for her. But, yeah, she's obviously the Karen, just attacking everybody in the store. She's not getting her way. But the old man wasn't having that. Yes, that's pretty funny.
Lord have mercy.
Few moments later.
I am going to sue Subway now because
Oh!
look at it.
Oh, so she got the ass whooping. Oh, so she did get the ass whooping. Damn, I wish she would have recorded that. Wow. It seems like that was deserved. A well-deserved ass whooping. Subscribe to the robot. Follow the robot. Join the robot. Praise the robot.